Hello homeowners in Garden Grove, California. Has the travertine floor of your house lost its former shine? Don't worry. Titan's Natural Stone Restoration has your back. From travertine floor cleaning and polishing to restoration, we cater to your every need. All of our professionals have years of experience and expertise. Rest assured, our experts will complete your project on time with perfection. Call us now at 866-686-1637 to get a free estimate for your project. For more information, head over to www.titansrestore.com.